Alright, Farida, you can come into canva.com to create your dream chart, or you can just log in to the apps that you have downloaded. So once you are coming to Canva, just click here, create a design. You want to select presentation, now 16.9. So you will open up a presentation slide like this. Okay, so over here, of course, you can select whatever available template that you have, but if for me, I will just use a white blank Canva. Then you can click on text over here, right? Then you can select all the text design, or you can just click here, add a header. Header will be added. You can move out here. Then you can just rename this to okay, then of course you can click on it. If you want to enlarge the text, you just click the plus or minus to enlarge. Okay, the thing you can move it around. And of course you can select different uh font, right? Or change color, right? Change color of the font. Right. Then you want to insert photo. You can come to the element button over here. Okay, let's say you can key in whatever photo that you like. Let's say I want, for example, let's say I want BMW. So you just type BMW. All the BMW graphic photo will show up. You can choose from the list. Now you can just click on them. Yeah, then you can pick. You want to take note that if you see there is a crown icon like this on the photo, then you have to take note that this photo, uh, Canva will charge you money when you download this. It will charge you, I think, $1. So you want to avoid, if you want to use free, you want to avoid this crown icon item. All right? Or basically, you can just go to Google and type in the, let's say the car that you want. Let's say I type in the X5, I select image. Right, so let's say you want this one, you can just basically save. Okay, so what you do is you go back to Canva and you go to this icon, upload file, click on it. Then you search back the BMW X5 that you have just downloaded, open. Then the file will upload here. So you wait for a while once it's loaded. Okay, so once it's finished upload, you just click on it. The whole car will show up. Right? So you can resize, put it here. And of course, any other picture that you want, you can just practice the same thing. So when everything are good, you want to download this image, you go to the share button here and you just click over here, download. So there are a few options for you to download. You can download the file as PDF or you can download either as JPEG file or PNG file. So either one will work. So let's say I want to select a JPEG file, and I just click download. Right, then the whole thing will start download. Then I save, and this one will download. Then if I click back the file, right, so I will have the dream chart download like that. Alright, so I hope that this is helpful to you. All the best to your dream chart.